I'm going to grab some food, hang out at your place, and maybe crash there.
Grab food? Are you planning to steal a sandwich? Hang out at my place? From my balcony? And crash there? Ben, please do not drive a car into my living room.
I mean dinner, relaxing, and sleeping.
If you don't know what this means, this video is for you.
Hi, welcome back to Chat and Learn English. I'm Ben.
And I'm Sofia. Today we're making Saturday plans and learning 10 slang words from real American conversations.
You will learn what each one means, when to use it, and one mistake to avoid.
Let's start before Ben crashes on my safe couch.
I'm hungry. Want to grab something before we choose a show?
After lunch, do you want to hang out here or go to the park?
Great, I'll grab my jacket. Can you grab the keys?
Yep. I grabbed them before they disappeared under the mail.
Grab means get or pick up. Use it casually for food or small items. Spanish speakers often reach for take, tomar. In casual English, say grab. Common mistake. Say grab a bite, not grab to eat. Repeat. Let's grab something to eat.
Let's grab something to eat.
After lunch, do you want to hang out here or go to the park?
Let's hang out here. We can play a game and talk.
We hung out with Mia last weekend. Today I want a quieter plan.
Same. I love hanging out at home when it is too hot outside.
Hang out means spend relaxed time together. Use it casually with friends, dates, or classmates, not in meetings. Spanish speakers may say make time together. Say hang out. Never say I am hang out. Repeat. Do you want to hang out later?
Do you want to hang out later? I stayed up late last night, so I might crash after dinner.
No problem. You can crash on the couch if you are too tired to go home.
Thanks, I might crash before the show ends.
Then, I will wake you up for the funny part.
Crash means sleep quickly because you are tired, or stay overnight at a friend's home. Use it only casually. Do not confuse it with a car accident. Repeat. I'm tired. I might crash early.
I'm tired, I might crash early. Quick recap. Grab is get, hang out is spend relaxed time together, and crash is sleep fast or stay the night.
All three help with weekend plans. I'm going to change. Text me when you are ready.
Deal, I'll be right here.
I just sent you a message. I'm more excited about snacks than the show.
I see it. I low-key think snacks are the real plan too.
And I hope the weather changes. So we have a good reason to stay inside.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday to me.
Lowkey means quietly, secretly, or a little. It softens an opinion. Use it casually, not in presentations. Do not use it for obvious information. Repeat. Lowkey, I love this plan.
Low-key, I love this plan. Your text message says you expected me to choose the action show.
I wanted to be honest. I almost chose it, but I need something funny today.
Honestly, I need a quiet afternoon after this week.
Me too. A simple plan sounds perfect.
The abbreviation on screen means not gonna lie. Texting only. Use it in messages. Never say its letters aloud, and not at work. Spanish speakers may say, I don't go to lie. Say, not gonna lie, or to be honest. Practice the spoken version. Not gonna lie, I'm really tired.
Not gonna lie, I'm really tired.
Your last message says the snack mix is really, really good.
It is. I did not expect it to taste this good.
And you said we should make more next time.
Definitely, I am serious about this snack mix.
Good, I'm saving the recipe.
The abbreviation on screen means for real, for real. Texting only, it adds strong emphasis. Never say its letters aloud or use it at work. In speech, say for real or seriously. Practice the spoken version. That was fun, for real.
That was fun, for real. Mini recap. Low-key softens an opinion. The next two were texting abbreviations for honesty and strong agreement.
They look natural in a message, but do not use them in a job interview. Stop texting me from 10 steps away and come here. I have a question.
Hey, what happened?
I picked the wrong time for the show.
No worries, we can start later.
Thanks. Can you bring the snacks upstairs?
No worries, I am already bringing them.
No worries means that is okay or you're welcome. It is friendly and casual. Spanish speakers may say don't worry after thanks. Here, No worries is more natural. Formally, say, you're welcome. Repeat, no worries, we can fix it.
No worries, we can fix it.
Oh, my bad. My phone is almost out of battery.
My bad too. I should have reminded you to charge it.
And my bad, I sent you the wrong snack list.
It is okay. Send the right one when you can.
My bad means my mistake. Use it for small, everyday problems with friends. Do not use it as your only apology after a serious mistake. It is lighter than my fault. Repeat, my bad, I forgot.
My bad, I forgot. The show starts later than we thought. I'm down to play a game first.
I'm down. Let's play the word game on the table.
Are you down to invite Mia for an hour?
Yeah, I'm down, but let's ask her first.
I'm down means I'm willing, or I want to do that. Use it for friendly plans, not formal meetings. Do not confuse it with I'm feeling down, meaning sad. Repeat, I'm down to try that.
I'm down to try that.
I need to finish getting ready. Hit me up when you find the game.
Sure, and hit me up if you need help with the snacks.
I will. Hit me up later if you want to make plans for tomorrow.
Absolutely. I will message you after dinner.
Hit me up means contact me by text or call. Use it only with friends. Spanish speakers often say, write me for a text. Hit me up works casually, but never say only, hit me. Repeat, hit me up later.
Hit me up later. Here are all 10. Grab, get, hang out, spend relaxed time together, crash, sleep fast, or stay overnight.
Lowkey, quietly or a little secretly. The first texting abbreviation means not gonna lie. The second means for real, for real.
No worries, that is okay. My bad, my mistake. I'm down. I want to do that. Hit me up. Contact me.
Which one will you try this week? Try one in a message to a friend, or say it out loud for practice.
Remember, slang is for relaxed conversations. For work, school, or serious situations, choose clearer and more formal English. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Subscribe for more real English conversations, and comment, what slang do you want next?
Next Sunday, we are learning 5 phrasal verbs you will hear at the coffee shop.
See you then. And Ben,
Yes?
grab the snacks. I'm down to watch something now.
For real, I'm on it.